This is the Renpho Active Massage Gun. If you're into fitness, recovery, or just want to relax those muscles after a long day, this might be the perfect tool for you. Let's kick off with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find this carrying case with Renpho branding and a convenient top handle to carry it around. The case is made of really good quality. It keeps the massage gun safe with its strong and durable design. Inside the case, we find the massage gun, of course, and not one, but 5 different massage heads. I'm going to go through all of these attachments later on in this video, but let's take a look at the massage gun first. Now, don't let its compact size fool you. This isn't one of those disappointing mini massage gun. It packs the power of a larger massage gun, but it just comes in a very small and lightweight design. The whole thing just weighs around 1.51 pounds, making it super lightweight. This handle is made of silicone, so wherever you touch, it just sticks to your hand, so you can use it on yourself or your significant other without any problems. And finally, it comes equipped with a super quiet brushless motor at the top, running as low as 45 decibels, so it's very quiet as well. So it's a quiet, lightweight, powerful massage gun, yet comes in a very small and portable size. To use this, all you have to do is add one of the massage attachments on the front here. Make sure it's tight. To power on, just press the power button for a couple of seconds. This is the speed level. If you're sensitive to pressure, I would suggest you to keep it at a lower speed, but you can press the power button once to keep changing the speed. And this is how fast it goes. The battery indication is at the bottom. It's blinking right now, so probably needs to be recharged. And finally, they've included a USB Type-C port at the bottom to recharge this. The cable is also included inside of the box. This is a USB A to C cable. Battery life is impressive. It's about 2.5 hours. So if you're someone that uses this for about 5 minutes every day, that's more than 3 weeks of battery life. And even when it is blinking, it can run for a while. There's also a really nice auto shut off feature. So if it's running for about 10 minutes, it automatically shuts off after that. So if this puts you to sleep, you don't have to worry about it running throughout the night and draining your battery. It's going to automatically shut off when 10 minutes are done. Let's take a look at different massage attachments included inside the box. The first one is this ball head. It's one of my favorites. I use it on my lower back. This feels really good. Second one is this U-shaped head, perfect for neck and shoulders. Flat head, which is sort of versatile, you can use it anywhere. Air cushion head, much like ball head, can be used on your lower back, but it feels more soft, I guess. And finally, bullet head can be used under your feet and sometimes on your wrist as well. Now, each massage head comes pre-installed with a rubber sleeve. If this is damaged, you can replace it with a spare one. They've included 2 inside of the box. With 5 different massage attachments, you have your entire body covered. I've been using this massage gun for a few months now. I love the build quality. I mean, it still looks like brand new. It's super lightweight, easy to hold, comes with a great battery life, gets rid of all the knots on your shoulders or maybe pain under your feet. I think this is a great massage gun for anyone looking for a deep tissue massage.